Okay, one or two games this morning. Good morning all. Okay, I'll set off the auto parrying, the 5-minute auto parrying, and have a look while we're waiting to see if we can watch a title player game. Igor. Let's observe Igor for a moment. Aha, Dobb. 2237. Smith. Right, I think E5 is the most critical anyway. Maybe I should take here because although I'm not really sure why I did that. Actually, why did I do that? Maybe it's Fury? I don't know. I need to look this up. There's actually a book. Chess Explained was mentioning on ChessCube last night on the Smith-Morra gambit. I think I need to check it out. So Queen takes B3, Knight D4. Doesn't look. There looks to be a bit of pressure, so I might go for it. Knight D4, Bishop E3. You know, Rook D1 after Knight B5. There's Queen C4 though. I don't know. I'll protect this just in case now on Knight B5. No. Let's not protect it. I think there's Knight B5. Knight D4, Knight D4, Queen D4, Knight B5. Rules out Queen C4. I just take and then Knight C7. What else do I want to play here? Knight B5 after Bishop E7, Queen C7, say. And is it problem solved after that for black? So if I play Knight E4 here, and then Bishop G5, try that. Bishop G5. Then I would have Rook C1 potentially. Okay. Don't really want the exchange of queens. Queen D3 here. That does eye the H7. Yes, it's getting very annoying. Queen Tango. Right, Bishop E3 and Rook C1. Right, I look forward to Rook C1. Maybe. I'll lose the A pawn. Let's go back here then. Not really getting much out of this at the moment. What about Knight E5 with a small edge, maybe in that ending? Queenless position rather. Let's not call it an ending just yet. Knight B5 here, A6. Doesn't do anything. Or maybe it does. It weakens B6. Knight E4. What about A3? I think Knight E4 is interesting. Try and keep my head on the clock if possible. Right, B3 to rule out Knight C4s. Okay, I think there's Rook D2 possible here, but no, I'll take it. I've got miserable isolated Queen's pawn position. And he's also got Bishop B4. Right, not ideal. Any active plan here? Beautiful isolated Queen's pawn situation. I think I shouldn't have played ED. frontal pressure on d4 is not good early in the morning either. Get to play rook c1 here. Whereas knight e3, that just loses immediately. Okay, so knight c5, a4. Right. Give my king some. Is knight c5 actually possible? If he takes, I'll get some counter on the d file, I think, in this rook ending. Rook d7 for rook f7. If he wants to take on e3. If he doesn't take on e3, then b4? No, he just takes that. No, rook d7. I don't know. b4, knight b4, rook d7. Get that rook on the 7th. Alright, somehow, okay, he doesn't like this position totally. He's used a bit of time here. There's an idea of rook takes f7 on rook c7. So knight takes, rook d7, rook c7. Rook takes f7, rook takes. I'm on b7. So I think this infiltration to d7 could be really cool, basically. If he plays rook b2, maybe rook c1, just to defend against knight e3 and rook c5. Rook c1. I think I might be back in the driving seat here, because he's used a lot of time recently. Alright, I've got rook. Okay. This looks like nice 2-to-1. Pawn magnetism is a new thing I've been thinking about for endgames. How magnetic the pawns are to becoming queens. I think there's an expression for that. A passed pawn increases in strength, something like that, towards the endgame or something. Aha. Has he just blundered there? Because now I've got two connected passed pawns. Yeah, okay, time pressure. Okay, that was a very unconvincing start to the morning. Dreaded isolated queen's pawn situation. The isolated IQ pins it's sometimes referred to. So, but what it did give me was this knight c5, which is actually technically, you know, a benefit. You get the hooks in. Right here, there's rook takes f7. Okay, so I think well, it's tricky here. Not to get the 2-to-1. Okay, say check. Let's imagine this. I've got two connected passed pawns here, so I don't think that matters about g2. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.